We are at the AmericInn in Chanhassen, Minnesota. I finally found one in the Twin Cities. Shut up. Soft touch. Yo! Finally! Oh, that doesn't work anymore, it looks like. Oh, it does work. Oh, it's one of these. Oh my God, RNO installed it. Yo, holy shit. Oh my God, uh-oh. Overshot. There's a bit of a leveling issue, looks like. Let's see if the bumper worked. It sort of does. Aurora. That does not work. What? I guess the down doesn't work either? Huh. Maybe I have to let the door fully close. But oh my God, this is fucking awesome! Look at that. RNO, 2,100 pounds. Soft touch, although they've all been replaced with the Aurora except the door and the alarm buttons. Not ADA phone. We're going again. Let him go up. Oh my God, I can't believe I finally found one of these. I can't believe there's actually one of these in the Twin Cities. And it's in an AmericInn of all places. I'm gonna stop on the second floor. Hopefully there's an original call button up there. I can't believe this. I just can't believe this. This is so awesome. Definitely one of my best finds of the year. Here it comes. Except for the shakes. Here it is. That's awesome. Oh my God, I can't get over this thing. I didn't even get a cat video. Let's do that on the way up. It's a nice cab. It has a bit of a leveling issue up here though. Go to 2. This is awesome. I wonder if that says US behind it or something. Here are 2. Let's see if the call button's original. Nope, they're all replaced. Epic. Oh my God. All right, let's take one more round trip. We'll end it up here. That's so awesome, dude. Can't believe how good a shape this is in for an AmericInn. Oh, there's an ECI interlock. Let's see when it was installed when we come back up. It even has the separate brailles. That's even more rare, as far as I know. This is honestly in really good shape. Trying to get the chime to go off. God, I love these buttons. It's honestly kind of nice, does have the annoying floor passing chime. He's gonna overshoot it again, I bet. Yep. Alright, let's see if the chime up here works. Oh my god, look at that key switch. And we're gonna go back and end it on the second floor. Wow, all the chimes work. That's awesome. Door close doesn't work though. Yeah, for an AmericInn, this is in great shape. And honestly, for a soft touch, it's in great shape. That is just, oh my god, this is just awesome. The leveling could use some help. And you were installed in 97. What a cool find. Alrighty. It's so nice to know that one of these is here in the Twin Cities. There it goes, and that'll be it. Now it's still picture time.